Come on, show me what you got. Hey, you can do better than that. Here's a little something for you.